Hello everyone, welcome to this very first video tutorial on Android in web programming. So this time I will use the my Android phone to code website. So I hope you watch my previous video so you can completely follow. To go to the settings and you need to go to the application. So from the applications you need to turn on the permission. So you need to go to the permission. So this is for the sake for the new viewers. So by default it is turned off, so you need to turn on. So the Pixiewps server complete the access storage, and this will prevent the app from crashing. So you need to make sure that it is turned on. So now what you need to do is you need this file manager if you would like. So I recommend that you need to install this file explorer. For me it is best choice. Okay, so I think because it allows you to show hidden folder or hidden file and even root, so you can access you can view the root files inside of your phone. So I highly recommend to use this explorer. So once you already have this file manager, you can now start navigate to the directory, to the htdocs. So you see this folder htdocs. So this is where we will save our project. So as you can see, I have already created the registration. This will serve as my database of all my HTML files. So if you can see inside of that folder, we can see some of the files that I already created. So I have the PHP files, CSS, and okay, so and the emails. Okay, so now for the demonstration, I will create another folder. So I'll create another folder. So just click new folder, and I will name it web login form or web tutorial or website web demo. So okay, we name it web demo. Then inside of this web demo, we need to have HTML editor. So if you have this little application, so you can use this one to code HTML files. So you can download it in the Play Store. So once you already download, then you need to create an HTML, or you can just let me just open, or you can just create. Okay, so you can just create, and so this one, and we will save it to the directory. So to the htdocs directory. So we'll go to the htdocs directory. So and we go to our folder, and we'll save it as register. So just like what we did, but this one will shorten our time. So click create new type will be CSS. So and save it as the register.css. Okay, so once you done that, we need to create another file. This time will be the PHP. Okay, so save it again as register.php. Okay, save it again as register.php. Okay, so now get back to the HTML file. Okay, save, discard. So get back to the HTML file and name it this title, so we can name this title registration or user registration. So we can name it user. Then so I'm back, and so what you need to do is to name this one registration, user registration. Then okay, so reference to the style, so the reference will be, you need to copy the whole path. You need to copy the whole path of the CSS file. So you need to go to the htdocs again, and we need to go to the folder, and we need to copy this one. Okay, so copy the full path, and need to get back to our HTML editor and paste. So this will repair to the CSS directory. So now once you done that, you can now go to the body section. Okay, so you can now go to the body section, and here we can just type, we can have open bracket, and we need to type, so let me just type field set. So field set, need to give it the ID, and will be equal to, so this will be equal to, let's just try F1 for field set. Okay, field. Then we need to close the tags. Okay, we need to close the tag, so with field set. Okay, then close. Once we already done, we need to create a table. So just write table, and we can create how many columns and how many rows would have our table. So we can, so we need, let me just close the table. So table. Okay, then in here we need to define actually we need to define some column, I guess column. So how many columns, or you can say, you can set the width of the table, but we will do it in the CSS instead. So here we can create a form. So let's create a form. We give it a name, class name. So okay, class name. So the class name will be F1. Then we need to close the form. So now after that, inside of this form, we need to, okay, we need to, okay, so we need to set an action. Okay, action. We need to set an action, then you have to was action will be the action will be referred to the PHP. So we have a PHP file that we created, so this one, so we will just take the name and pass to this double quote. So we will just type the name register .php. okay, then the method will be to post. Okay, so we need to have the method, we need to post. Okay, so we need to post. Okay, so we need to post. Okay, let us just try to view how the page will look like. So this one instead, so we have a register PHP, so I think we need to rename this one save PHP, and instead of register.php we need to change this one to save.php. okay, so now let us try to view how the page will look like. So okay, there is only a field and the form is invisible right now because we didn't add table data. So let me just, okay, so I think we will continue this tutorial in the next video because this will take so much longer. So be sure to follow me in the next tutorial. So we will continue this tutorial in the next video. So thanks for watching, guys.